Okay. Baby Daniel is a resident of the country of Belize. He's a Belizean citizen. 8 months old. He suffers from biliary atresia disorder. He's here at Children's Hospital in need of a liver transplant. And because he has no money, the hospital is asking for $350,000 in order to be able to perform this surgery, an urgently needed surgery. With Children's being one of the best hospitals in the world, it's unfathomable that they are refusing to be able to perform this procedure on this child. So we're here protesting, like every opportunity to be able to lift a voice on behalf of this innocent being. How can we not? How can we sit idly by, as this happens? We looking at the American flag. It's land of the free, But then there's no equal rights here, is there? It breaks my heart.